Needs a lift kit? Call Agile Off-Road. Needs a lift kit? Call Journeys Off-Road. Needs a lift kit? Call Lariat Action Van Suspension. Needs a lift kit? Call Journeys Off-Road. Needs a lift kit? Call Boulder Off-Road. Needs a lift kit? Doesn't need a roof lift. Needs a lift kit? Call Van Compass. Needs a lift kit? Call Journeys Off-Road. Needs a lift kit? Call Boulder Off-Road. Needs a lift kit? Call Rough Country. Lifted Van Meet, November 2024. If you drive a van, let me know in the comments section, what make and model van do you have? My channel is Ford Econoline E-Series Van Heavy. I do lifted van meets, but I welcome all brands. You don't need a lifted van to join us. You don't even have to have a van to join us. This upcoming March lifted van meet, there may be a Chevrolet Colorado, Toyota 4Runner, and Toyota Prius at this upcoming meet. All my friends are welcome. I'm John Drives Anything, not just John Drives a Lifted Van. So the March lifted van meet, 25 people interested. And I said this, if this upcoming March lifted van meet has 20 participants, I'm doing a Salt Lake City, Utah meet. The epic November lifted van meet in Anza Borrego, that was the whole live out your van for a couple days overlanding experience, camping in the middle of nowhere. This upcoming March lifted van meet, it's just a campground. We're gonna meet at the Flying J in Fraser Mountain Road. It's a casual weekend hangout. Like, you could drive there on a Saturday. Most of you are 2 to 4 hours away. Easy meet. You don't need to take time off from work, and that's why I wanted to do another meet in Hungry Valley. It's an easy meet for most people to make it to. This one hits 20 though. This is officially a thing. So this one hits 20. If this one's as big as the Anza Borrego meet, it's time to expand these meets. I'm a couple subscribers away from 12,000. I should hit 12,000 tomorrow. I'm about 9 away. And today's Saturday. Tomorrow, Sunday, I should be at 12,000. And 2024 was huge. 2025 is shaping up to be bigger than 2024. I'm working on becoming an ambassador with Wasatch Overland. So if I end up getting the high top roof for my van, I'm getting it from Wasatch, and I'm becoming an ambassador for their company. And I think once I get the high roof on, if I do make that decision, make that jump, I'll feel like I made it in this industry, that I'm officially an ambassador of a brand that works on these vans. So lots of cool things coming. And yeah, I couldn't have done this without you guys. Yeah, I'm just some guy who started talking about my van 13 years ago. This is my second one. Never thought it would grow to be this big. First lifted van meet, it was 2 people. 1 person showed up. And then the next one was 3. And then it was 5 a couple times. Then 7. Then 21. So yeah, this thing's growing, man. 25 people. This March lifted van meet might be bigger than the Anza Borrego meet. But that's what's going on with my channel. About to hit 12,000. I heard once your channel hits 15,000, your algorithms, your analytics, YouTube's going to be more likely to recommend you. So that's my goal. 2025, hit 15,000 subscribers. Couple away from 12,000, so 3,000 subscribers this year. Let me hit that 15,000 mark. We're growing this thing. And I thank you all the new subscribers, all my friends who've been supporting me for years. Some of you even knew me before I had this channel. Jeff, I've known Jeff for what, man, 14, 15 years now through YouTube. He got a van and he's gonna join us. Really looking forward to what Jeff does. Yo, Jeff, start making videos, man, so I could share your channel. I want to see more of you make lifted van content. Here's the thing about me. I'm not talking about anyone in particular, but I'm pretty sure you guys watch a channel that started off small, they grew, they became big time, and then they ended up getting a Sprinter or a Transit van. Nothing wrong with that. I think something like a Transit, well, that's a low roof Transit, that's a big roof Transit. Transits, Sprinters, ProMasters, they're superior to Econolines and express vans for street driving. They're a better platform to build a little house in, so I get it. But see, this is a little different. You're never gonna see me, if I hit 100,000 subscribers, you'll never see me drive a Transit, ProMaster, or Sprinter. I like the Econoline platform, and I have a feeling that's why the offers are coming in finally. I think that's why people are, companies are starting to contact me now, because they realize this guy's been here for 13 years. We sponsored other channels and they ended up getting a Sprinter or something that we don't make aftermarket parts for. This guy right here, he's always gonna drive an Econoline. So yeah, I like these vans. I would like to see a Transit, more GM vans, but I would like to see a lifted Transit at the next lifted van meet. I want to see them all. My buddy Roaming with Raymond, he has a ProMaster and he wants to lift it. I don't know if he lifted it yet, but I want to see a lifted ProMaster. I want to see lifted minivans. I want to see them all. I want this to be a place where everyone's proud of their lifted van. I'm not going anywhere. I'll be here another 13 years and beyond. But let's not think about that too far into the future. Let's think about 2025. This year's starting off great. Big things are coming. So the only other thing I have to report is, looks like we're about to get rain, which is good. The 5 freeways closed right now because of the fires in Castaic. I think that's how you say it, Castaic. But it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So the 5 freeway going to Hungry Valley, Gorman, is actually closed. It was closed last week too. So hopefully they get plenty of rain and the March lifted van meet still happens. The only thing that's going to stop it is the weather or the rain, but hopefully it gets good rain tonight, tomorrow, and everything's good. And I'll see you guys in March. March may be bigger than November, and that's crazy. Yeah, this thing's growing, man. I'm having a lot of fun talking to you guys in the comments section. So I look forward to meeting a lot of you. I think out of the 25, 12 of you are new. So I look forward to meeting all of you. I look forward to seeing my friends again. Look forward to seeing your van builds. And this time around, I'm gonna film the interiors. Last lifted van meet, I was so into it. I filmed like 1/5 of what I wanted to film. So this time around, it's gonna be some good stuff. Get you guys hyped about this, because there's some really good people here and really cool vans. So I like to think that my van is like the typical DIY build. Most of the vans at the lifted van meets look something like this. I had to pull that panel off. I had to smash my own window. Stefan and Don knows about it. But that's a good thing about Econolines. The window was like 60 bucks, but I broke the trim. So I might pull that trim out and just paint the bare metal brown or tan or something. But yeah, this is it right here. This is your typical DIY build. Most of you guys have vans that look something like this. Something functional, affordable. But you know what? Once I get a lifted roof, I'm gonna leave the $20,000 club. Right now I am under the $20,000 range, so this van's still in the $20,000 club. Once you get that high roof, you're entering the $25,000 club. Yeah, that's it. There's my van. Your typical DIY overland lift build right here. I'm not going anywhere. No Sprinter, no Transit, no ProMaster on this channel. I'm gonna always roll in a Ford Econoline van. Been doing it. Been rolling in one since I started this channel 13 years ago, and I actually had my first Econoline in 2010 before I even started this channel. Look who we have here. Agile Off-Road. They got their little convoy too. Not a little convoy, this one's big. Big convoy. Nice. Another van meet here. These guys are all 4x4. Yeah, buddy. What's up? How it going, guys?